How to remove countdown widgets from home screen on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to remove the countdown widget or any sort of widget from your home screen, what you can simply do is tap on the widget or make a long press, and then you can see the option of remove over here at the bottom. You can either edit it or you can remove it. So as you tap on remove, you can see the widget has been removed from the home screen. Now if you want to get it back, you can just make a long press on the home screen and tap on widget option at the bottom of the screen, and then scroll down to find the countdown widget over here again. And as you find it, you can just tap on it and then tap on tick, and there you go. You can remove it in the same way possible. You can just tap on it and tap on remove, or you can tap on it and drag it to the very top, and then it will be removed itself. There you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.